Toyota's recent revelation isn't just a leap forward in the electric vehicle (EV) realm. It's a seismic shift that could redefine the very essence of how we perceive automotive innovation. Imagine the automotive world as a canvas, and Toyota just unleashed a bold stroke of genius that's sending shockwaves through the industry. It's like witnessing the birth of a new era, where cars don't just run on electricity, but on ingenuity and imagination. But before we plunge into the electrifying details of Toyota's breakthrough, let's rewind a bit and set the stage for this automotive revolution. In a landscape where every automaker is racing to outdo the other, Toyota isn't just joining the race, they're rewriting the rules altogether. Picture this, a spectacle so captivating that even the most die-hard petrolheads are left awestruck, their jaws dropping as Toyota unveils a marvel that defies convention. So, what's the buzz all about? Well, brace yourselves because Toyota isn't just tinkering with batteries or tweaking motor designs. No, they're taking a quantum leap into uncharted territory with their hydrogen combustion engine. But hold on, this isn't your run-of-the-mill hydrogen engine. It's a game-changer in every sense of the word. While others are fixated on going all electric, Toyota is charting a bold new course with a technology that's as innovative as it is unprecedented. Picture this. Instead of spewing out harmful emissions, this engine's exhaust pipe releases nothing but pure water vapor, symbolizing Toyota's unwavering commitment to a greener, more sustainable future. It's not just about building cars anymore. It's about crafting a legacy that transcends generations. And with this groundbreaking engine, Toyota isn't just driving change. They're steering us towards a future where innovation knows no bounds. So buckle up, because the ride is about to get electrifying. Let's delve deeper into the engine. Toyota has taken a distinctly different approach to reduce its global carbon footprint. Instead of following the electric vehicle trend, they ventured into hydrogen combustion engines. Hydrogen, being one of the most abundant elements in the universe, boasts the highest specific energy density of any non-nuclear power source. Moreover, it's exhaust-free and non-toxic, with its byproducts solely water. It can be generated from various sources, stored indefinitely, and transported easily. Surprisingly, millions of tons of hydrogen are produced and utilized annually without incident. It's already powering buildings, electric cars, forklifts, ships, and trains. Yes, not everything runs on gasoline. Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine incorporates a fuel cell, converting hydrogen into electricity. Take, for instance, the Toyota Corolla Cross H2 concept car, featuring a 1.6-liter turbocharged, 3-cylinder engine solely powered by hydrogen. But how did Toyota actualize this? Well, this marked the beginning of Toyota revolutionizing the entire EV industry. With these engines, the landscape was primed for transformation, never to be the same again. Stay tuned to learn more. Toyota employs robust armored fuel tanks to store highly flammable hydrogen fuel. This idea was adapted from their FCEV, the Mirai. However, tank size needn't be excessive. The Corolla Cross H2 concept car utilizes just 5 kilograms of hydrogen, offering a range of about 300 miles. As for its byproduct, it produces only 50 liters of water. Unlike carbon dioxide, water poses minimal environmental impact. To enhance this concept, Toyota partnered with Yamaha Motor to develop a V8 engine fueled solely by hydrogen. This engine delivers impressive power, generating about 455 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. Additionally, they've incorporated an 8-to-1 top-mounted exhaust manifold, resulting in a distinct high-frequency sound. Comparing Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine with other electric vehicles, it offers numerous advantages. Primarily, it boasts a larger range, with refueling as swift as a drag race. This achievement diminishes the reliance on limited supply materials such as lithium and nickel, crucial to EV battery manufacturing. Although this car uses a battery for some power storage, it's notably smaller than that of an EV. As of the last quarter of 2023, the Corolla Cross H2 concept car underwent real-world evaluation and winter road condition testing in northern Japan, receiving overwhelmingly positive reviews. Undoubtedly, Toyota's new hydrogen combustion engine revolutionizes the automotive industry, being one of the most environmentally friendly engines, emitting only water as a byproduct. Additionally, it offers extended range, rapid refueling, and reduces the need for limited supply materials. While real-world testing continues, it won't be long before these cars hit the roads. Starting with the pros, the most apparent is its eco-friendliness. Utilizing hydrogen as fuel, it emits no harmful byproducts. Moreover, hydrogen is inherently cleaner than traditional gasoline. Secondly, the engine boasts an efficient cooling system, addressing high temperatures effectively. This innovation potentially enhances performance and longevity, mitigating overheating issues. Lastly, this engine leverages familiar technology, facilitating integration into existing automotive design and manufacturing processes. However, no innovation is devoid of drawbacks. Foremost among these is the production and infrastructure of hydrogen. While the engine itself is eco-friendly, hydrogen production methods require sustainable solutions to be truly advantageous. Moreover, the scarcity of hydrogen fueling stations poses a challenge. Additionally, the engine's complexity and associated costs present hurdles. Despite sharing architecture with traditional engines, the inclusion of a dual water injection system and precise ECU control complicates manufacturing and maintenance, raising costs for both automaker and owner. Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine represents a paradigm shift in sustainable transportation solutions, diverging from the one-dimensional approach of electric and hybrid engines. By embracing diverse technologies, Toyota aims to cater to varied customer needs and driving conditions, ultimately advancing toward carbon neutrality. But how does Toyota's hydrogen engine compare to traditional internal combustion engines? Let's explore this through Toyota's standout achievement, the 1.6-liter, 3-cylinder turbo engine. This engine, derived from the platform of the GR Yaris, blends traditional design with cutting-edge technology. However, it diverges significantly from conventional internal combustion engines. Toyota's engineers modified this engine extensively to accommodate hydrogen fuel, sparking curiosity among enthusiasts. The secret lies in the hydrogen combustion process. Unlike gasoline, hydrogen demands unique handling and combustion techniques. Consequently, the engine utilizes a high-pressure hydrogen direct injection system, departing from traditional fuel injection systems. This system optimizes performance and efficiency by controlling hydrogen delivery into the combustion chamber. Surprisingly, the engine delivers performance comparable to gasoline counterparts. Turbocharging plays a pivotal role, ensuring requisite power and torque. However, concerns linger regarding turbocharging's compatibility with hydrogen's unique properties. Toyota addresses this by optimizing turbocharger and engine components for hydrogen combustion, ensuring seamless integration. Furthermore, the engine's efficiency surpasses traditional counterparts, particularly under high-load conditions, significantly impacting fuel economy and emissions. This heightened efficiency translates to better fuel economy and reduced emissions, with water vapor as the sole byproduct, aligning with Toyota's carbon neutrality endeavors. Toyota's multifaceted approach to carbon neutrality encompasses hydrogen technology alongside electric vehicles, aiming to address diverse global challenges effectively. Acknowledging regional disparities in energy sources and policies, Toyota tailors its approach to suit varied markets, ensuring maximum impact in reducing global carbon emissions. Toyota's commitment to carbon neutrality extends beyond vehicle emissions, encompassing manufacturing processes, resource efficiency, and renewable energy investments. This comprehensive approach signifies Toyota's dedication to environmental stewardship and sustainability. But why opt for a multifaceted approach? Toyota recognizes the limitations of a single technology in achieving carbon neutrality. By diversifying powertrain options, including hydrogen fuel cell vehicles and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, Toyota aims to address a broad spectrum of customer needs and driving conditions. As Toyota pushes the boundaries of automotive technology, Its water-powered engine initiative represents a significant leap towards sustainability. By harnessing the power of water, Toyota aims to reshape the automotive industry, setting new standards for environmentally friendly transportation. In conclusion, Toyota's hydrogen combustion engines and water-powered engine initiative are poised to transform the automotive industry. With a focus on sustainability and innovation, Toyota is driving towards a future of cleaner, greener mobility. As these technologies continue to evolve, Toyota remains at the forefront of automotive innovation, leading the charge towards a more sustainable future.